Okay, so I went through the cams and I decided I'm using the cam that's in the fucking Jag engine. That cam is just, I like that cam. So we have this we're checking out. So these are the heads I'm installing. Factory stock Vortec heads. And you see that size right there. That's the size of the intake valve. And I'll show you. This is the heads that were taken off that engine. And let us measure these. Yeah. So the Vortec heads are here, and these are here. So you know what that means? It means faster. Fasterness. That's what that means. Okay. Oh, and here's a check it out. Scott's been working on his truck. Rained all night. Trimming all the floorboard up, and yeah, it's all wet electrical. Anyway, yeah, so I'm taking the camshaft out of the Jaguar because I like the cam. It's got a good cam. It's actually too big for that 305, but it's actually too big for the 305. So, which means it should be perfect for the Jag with the 355 in it. So that's what I'm gonna do. It'll dry under here, mostly. Put it back up on jack stands. And put the heads. Put the Vortec heads on this block. I didn't paint it. It's not a big deal to me right now. Take that cam out, take the one out of 305, put it in this engine, and I could have the heads on to do that. I don't need to take them off. And then, yeah, today. Alright, updated.